Welcome to Breakpoint, Abhay.
Thank you so much for having me, Neelu. Appreciate it.
So, Abhay, maybe if you could briefly tell us, for our listeners who may not know policy as code as such.
I think the simplest way to explain policy as code is all the controls you thought you wanted, right?
So while we're talking about, simplifying the implementation, starting with APIs at the first stage, how do you overcome these complex policies, which might be actually interdependent on various systems and components?
So with policy as code, one of the biggest successes that we've had, and the most complex one as well. So your biggest successes tend to be one of those which have been the hardest fought, right? One of those biggest successes for us.
The issue that I wanted to, check your opinion on was, what do you do when the organization itself is scaling? For example, if you're going multi-cloud, are there any specific things to keep in mind in terms of policy, or something that you should have formulated already in terms of policy as code when you're going multi-cloud?
When you're going multi-cloud, it's very important to understand the policy engines within each cloud and these policy frameworks for each of these clouds, and then implement it accordingly.
Thanks a lot, Abhay, for having this interesting conversation with us.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.